Do we close on our house today? What do you think of that? What do you think? She's like, pet me is what I think. Pet me. Are we closing on our house today, Blaze? Blaze Rooney. He says, yep, we are. Closing on the house today. Are you so excited to come visit? Good morning, guys. I look crazy, and that's because I just woke up. But literally, I am so excited. I could not sleep any longer. It's like 7:30, and big things are happening at 10 and 11, which I will tell you in this video. You guys probably all know by now that we are closing on our first house. Today is the day we close on our house, and it is June 15th, 2018. A day that we'll forever remember. At 10 o'clock, we have our final walkthrough in our house, and then at 11, we have our closing. So I couldn't sleep any longer. I'm so excited, and Noah's like just snoring away in the bed upstairs. Just so excited. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Seriously. So we're gonna be going in a couple hours, and it's happening. So we're finally going to be closing on our house. We have been waiting for 60 days for this closing specifically. It's been a long journey, and it has been filled with disappointments and heartbreak when we had to pull out of buying our other house. I never put all these vlogs up from our last house because I was just so heartbroken, and I deleted all the footage and everything, but we're finally here. Nothing can stand in our way this time. It is the day. I can't even fathom. We're gonna have our first house. Like, this is when I feel like our life is gonna start. And it's so exciting. I cannot wait. But guys, if you're in the same boat as us, or we're in the same boat as us, feeling like you're never going to find that first house, do not give up hope, because as soon as we stopped looking, because we got so disappointed, as soon as we stopped looking, that is when it came to us. Like, literally, God brought us our house when we least expected it, and it happened on a blizzard. Always remember, April blizzard 2018 is when we went to go see our house, and we put an offer in, and because of the blizzard, our offer was the only offer because everyone else canceled that was going to go see the house the next day. So God sent the blizzard. I totally 100% believe that. I don't know if you guys believe in God or not, but I do, and I know that He was looking out for us, because there's no other way that we would be able to get this house. But today we're gonna go with that final walkthrough, get to see it. I haven't seen it empty yet. So there were renters living in there because an investor owns the house, but so we're gonna see it empty, and you guys are gonna see it empty because I'm going to bring my camera along, of course. So you guys are gonna be along this whole journey with us. So I can't wait to see it empty, and I don't know what it's gonna look like. We don't know if they painted. We don't know any of that. So it'll be a surprise and an adventure. So come along with us on this journey. So we are on our way to the final walkthrough at our house. Our house, that's weird to say. But we're going to be there pretty soon, and you guys are gonna get to see what it looks like empty, and we haven't seen it empty either, so it'll be exciting. Let's go.
I'm ready to go home by now.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it's so crazy seeing it empty. Oh my gosh.
We've got tacks in the wall up here.
That's how they hang stuff.
I guess so.
So it looks like we will have to paint, huh?
That's how they roll.
Crazy. right, I'll see you upstairs. There's our linen closet. Here's the master bedroom. Oh yes, we are going to be painting. There's our window, my walk-in closet. Ooh, there's a little step there. Somewhere you can sit down, I guess, and ooh, there's built-in hooks. Yes, there's built-in hooks. I wasn't able to like really go in this closet. Everything was full. Here's Noah's closet.
That's over the stairs.
Mm-hmm.
That's where you hit your head. Well, maybe not us.
This will be crazy to see.
Cut it into
The second bedroom.
Your dog's clean. Look at that. That's
Oh my
really
gosh, it's really bad. This is the second bedroom. We have not seen it empty. Oh my gosh, it's so much more spacious feeling.
bad. There was like
And this
so much stuff in
nice
here.
closet. Here's our patio. Oh, you do get some sun. That's good.
I know.
It's a nice,
I
nice.
bought that one at Oakdale, but you were like,
Yeah.
oh, it's okay. You know.
There's our garage. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah.
And all these built-in shelves and these like hooks. Extra parking. So we just did the final walkthrough of our house and you guys got to see it's empty. It needs some help. It needs some paint, some carpet, some love, some TLC, but we're excited. We're gonna do that. Probably gonna paint this weekend, so that'll be a whole nother vlog. We're gonna have a lot of vlogs out of this, I'll tell you. This is our life right now. We are headed to the office right now to go sign the papers to close, officially. So we're really excited, and we'll see you after that, because I'm not gonna film during that, because that seems a little weird, but no one's excited. Woo!
Turning in right now.
We're ready. Here we go into the real estate office to close. Woohoo!
Yay! Where is it? Which one is it?
Let's do this. So we officially closed! Woo! That's amazing.
You know what that's from?
Oh, woo!
Hey Quincy, we're going on a road trip!
Woo! Yes, we are officially closed. We have the house. We're gonna go back to it and show Noah's mom for the first time. She has not seen it yet, other than pictures and it being completely full of stuff.
I have so much debt now.
That's not what you think about when you have your first house. You just enjoy the freaking moment.
I'll enjoy
Negative
it.
Nelly.
I'll enjoy it when I get there. Oh, we forgot the champagne.
Negative Nelly. Oh, we did forget the champagne. Oh, dang it. I knew we forgot something.
We'll pop a bottle when everybody's there. Is
Yeah.
everybody gonna be there?
I don't know.
Have you asked people if they're being there?
I don't know. I have to tell everybody. But,
So excited!
we're gonna head back to the house.
Finally on my own again. Finally have my own place again.
You won't have to sit in the
share.
bathroom.
I don't have to share. I don't have to hide in the bathroom anymore. I have my own space again. Woo.
I found out that's the reason why he would sit in the bathroom for hours on end, because he needed his personal space. And I was like, are you just like taking a really long dump? I don't know.
No, I'm just sitting there watching YouTube.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, finally happening for us, guys. We have a house. Now comes the hard work of painting and putting new carpet in.
That's the fun part.
Woo!
It's like,
It's good. We get to enjoy it and make it our own.
We finally get to make it our own. Like, I've never decorated anywhere.
No, he wouldn't let me. He wouldn't let me decorate anywhere. I've always tried to make where we live a home, but he's never been like, oh, we can't do this because it's not ours. And now we can.
I've always been afraid of putting things on the walls and all that stuff, and now I don't have to worry about it. Now we're gonna prime it and paint it and make it everything that we want it to be.
Exactly. It's going to be a fun journey.
Gotta go buy some beer and put it in the fridge.
Love how that's the first thing he thinks about. Heading back to the house right now to show Noah's mom, and yeah, it's exciting. Woo! Alright, so we are in our house officially. I am talking to you in the living room / kitchen. It's like open concept. I showed you guys around already, and yeah, that's about it. It's needs a little work. We're gonna paint and get new carpet and things like that in the coming weeks. So pretty exciting, but I have to wait now here for them to go get some stuff, and my mom and my grandma, I think, are bringing lunch here, so I'm just gonna kind of chill out, and I don't know what I'm gonna do because we don't have Wi-Fi. Can't wait to go out on that patio. It's going to be very, very nice and delightful summer days. That's how crazy this day has been going, and if anything else happens, I will turn the camera on. We're having a party in the living room of our house.
We're at the Young's place.
Yeah.
Different colors on the wall.
Yeah, the renters painted just random colors. You saw the bedrooms, right? They're like purples and stuff.
Blue. There's like a big blue, and then you got
So we just ate and
walls colored.
yes.
And then purple up there.
Yay.
Accent walls.